Welcome. Question number 5. We are to find the truth set of x for which the expression 2x plus 3 divided by 4x cubed minus x is undefined. If a rational function is undefined, it means that the denominator is what? 0. So what we need to do is to set the whole denominator to be equal to 0 and find the values of x that will make that denominator to be what? 0. So first thing first, we set 4x to the power 3 minus x to be equal to 0, and this becomes an equation. So we can see x being common. So let's factorize the x out. I should be left with 4x to the power 2 minus 1 equals what? 0. Looking at the first part, the x and the bracket are multiplying, and their result is equal to 0. So it means that either the first one, okay, let me write it here. Either we have the x to be equal to 0, or we have 4x squared minus 1 equals to 0. So how do we come about with this? There are various ways we can solve it by transposing the 1 and dividing by 4, finding the square root of both sides. That can be done also, but we can treat it also as a difference of 2 squared, knowing very well that 2 squared give me 4. Therefore, x squared give me x squared. If I square this, that should be equal to 1. But 1 is also a perfect square. If you square it, you still get the same result. So in the case of this, I should be having a difference of 2 squared, the first term minus the second term times the first term plus what? The second term. And that will be giving you the same result here. The first side will be 0. That is 2x minus 1 is 0, or 2x plus 1 should be what? 0. Let's transpose and divide by 2. I will only get x equals to positive 1 divided by 2, or x equals to negative 1 divided by 2. So therefore, the truth set is going to be the set. Okay, let me just state it the way the answer is being stated here. We can find the values of x such that x is equals to, but let me state it the way we have it here. The smallest one will be negative 1 over 2. The next one will be 0, which is the x value. Then the next one will be 1 over 2. So the result we are looking for is going to be the option C. Now, I did mention that we can also do this as 4x equals to, that is 4x squared equals to 1. Dividing both sides by 4 will give you x squared equals to 1 over 4. If you find the root, in this case plus or minus square root of 1 over 4, you get plus or minus 1 over 4. So the plus is the half we have here, the minus is the minus half we have here. The same concept. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 6.